Welcome everyone. I'm Fred Burgod, TGS Commercial Director. We all know the challenges we face in the field, such as tough road conditions, logistics, fuel quality, local infrastructures or maintenance. This is why development must be carefully planned and adapted to the region of operations. In most of Africa, the conditions encountered are clearly different to those found in high-income countries. Toyota's goal is to develop products and services that are practical and sustainable for Africa. Based on this policy, Toyota will introduce practical and sustainable electric vehicles which meet customer needs in the African region. For Toyota, it is important to promote carbon neutrality while ensuring safety and security of our customers as our highest priority. In this presentation, we will announce 3 major steps towards a cleaner fleet, which we would like to share with you. The first step is the introduction of hybrid electric vehicles in Africa by 2023. Toyota has already made preparations for hybrid electric vehicles introduction to 18 countries, which are listed here. Those countries are actually ready to introduce hybrid electric vehicles. Further preparations are underway to introduce to another 8 countries, also listed here. This is a strong commitment from Toyota to introduce hybrid electric vehicles in Africa in the short term, through careful preparation and planning. Eventually, we plan to actively introduce hybrid electric vehicles to all countries in Africa as early as possible. In the future, we will consider introducing plug-in hybrid vehicles, battery electric vehicles, and fuel cell electric vehicles, depending on the local situation and the customer needs. In addition to new car sales, we will also start hybrid electric vehicles used car sales in each country. Our aim is to provide our customers with choices and options to match their needs. Toyota has selected 5 hybrid electric vehicle models ready for progressive introduction into the 18 countries previously mentioned. Introduction of those vehicles will also depend on the demand in each country. This will be completed by the introduction also of other models that will join in the near future. We are very pleased to announce here that Toyota is planning to produce hybrid electric vehicles in South Africa this year. This is a major milestone which confirms Toyota's commitment for long-term development in Africa, for Africa. Toyota is also promoting carbon neutrality at its factories and with its suppliers, such as utilizing solar power, renewable energy, and promoting waste recycling. Introduction of a hybrid vehicle produced in Africa for Africa. We present the Toyota Corolla Cross, which is a hybrid electric vehicle, and production will start in South Africa in October 2021. We will introduce this model in a number of countries in Africa throughout 2022 and beyond. Details of the vehicles and the countries of introduction will be communicated as early as possible. As mentioned earlier, this is a major step for Toyota in Africa and marks the start of a process towards a cleaner fleet offer in Africa. We will need your feedback and we welcome discussions to define your interest and requirements. Your input is crucial to ensure we meet your requirements and, importantly, we take into account the context where you operate. Our second step towards a cleaner fleet is to enhance our small car lineup offer. We will introduce small urban vehicles to cater for city usage. The aim is to offer our customers a wider choice depending on their requirements. Your feedback is welcome and needed to ensure we define your requirements as best as possible. Note that model introduction will be dependent on country suitability. Our third step towards a cleaner fleet is to develop a fleet management solution. This is our Toyota Africa Connected project. It goes hand in hand with our MAS project, Mobility as a Service. Toyota Africa Connected will be launched from South Africa and expand to sub-Sahara countries too. This will be launched next year. This service will consist in tracking solutions offering fleet management services to customers. Services will start from current services such as best route planning, fuel theft detection, safety driving support, amongst other services. In the future, the function will expand to remote control, engine on, off, door lock, unlock, predictive maintenance, early detection, early resolution, digital key and others. Please note that when we consider car safety and data security, car manufacturers' involvement for developing fleet management system is critical. We will reach out at a later stage to communicate further on this important project. We will take those 3 steps to aim towards a cleaner fleet. We'll need your feedback as we go along to make sure we understand your requirements and offer you the most appropriate solution. As you know, we celebrate this year our 25th anniversary. 25 years serving as a bridge between Toyota and the aid sector. During those 25 years, we have delivered over 100,000 vehicles in more than 100 different countries. More than just cars is our slogan. Why? Because throughout those 25 years, we have learned from you that we could do more to support you in your actions. So we did. We have developed tailor-made specialized conversions, such as ambulances, mobile workshops, mobile clinics, or fridge conversions. We adapted our conversions to the realities of the field and to your specific requirements. We developed a strong after-sales service supported by the local Toyota distributors. We committed to the road safety challenge through consistent field training support and fleet management support, together with our partners, Terramar. During the past 8 years, we have undertaken a total of 120 training events in 62 countries and trained more than 3,000 drivers and fleet managers. We have developed further our offer in terms of training with our online training platform in partnership with the Fleet Forum. All this took time to develop, but the benefits can clearly be seen in the field. We aim to do our best to support you in improving your fleet management performance. This is a long-term approach on which we are constantly building. We will continue our work with each of you over the next years to reach even higher goals through partnership and understanding of your needs and requirements. As mentioned earlier, Toyota promotes carbon neutrality at its factories and with its suppliers, such as utilizing solar-powered renewable energy and promoting waste recycling. TGS also follows this Toyota mindset within our own facilities. We have invested in new facilities which can be seen in those pictures where we moved this year. Currently, we managed to reduce our annual energy consumption by 25% through improvement of windows, doors, roof and floor insulation. Furthermore, our total carbon footprint was reduced by 57% between 2018 and 2021. Our goal is to be energy self-sufficient for our production facilities through the installation of solar power energy within a year. Finally, we have put in place a recycling process within our production cycle and our ISO 14001 approved an environmental management system recognition. Toyota will implement these carbon neutral initiatives not only at our factories, but also at all sales and service outlets. It is necessary to work in collaboration with various stakeholders to achieve carbon neutrality in the automobile industry. It is needed to collaborate in this area of renewable energy, charging infrastructure, energy policy, purchase subsidies, supplier support, battery recycling system, and so on. Toyota will consult with the governments of each country on how to prepare the environment to promote vehicle electrification. Toyota will promote an electrification strategy that contributes to CO2 reduction throughout the life cycle. The 3 steps we have outlined today aim at making your fleet cleaner and care for the environment. The production of the Toyota hybrid electric vehicle in Africa for the first time shows a strong commitment for Africa in the long term. More developments will follow. In the meantime, we look forward to discussing with you which solution will be more suitable in the region where you operate and the context where you operate, all for a better tomorrow. During this presentation, we put a strong focus on Africa. A number of you are based in other continents. We, of course, wish to assist you as well in your requirements and invite you to reach out to us for discussions. Thank you for joining this year's Fleet Forum Conference, first virtual edition, which we are hosting. It is rewarding to see a large number of participants and from so many organizations and so many different countries. We now invite you to ask for your questions. Thank you.